Hi everyone, Desiree with 360 Financial Group, and right now we're going to be talking about the multiple uses and smart uses of a life insurance policy. I believe that not very many people are familiar with the benefits that a life insurance policy has. So the number two reason, or the second reason, the most common reason why somebody would have a life insurance policy would be for retirement planning, tax planning, and estate planning. So when you pass away, your estate and all of your assets are deemed to be sold at that moment in time, and that the sale of your assets could trigger a large tax bill to CRA. Case in point would be a second property. So if your family has a second property and your parents both pass away, then the capital gains is going to be triggered on that property and tax is going to be owed. In order to keep that property and not have to sell it off just to pay for the taxes, somebody would probably want to have a life insurance policy in place to help pay for those types of taxes. So life insurance does pay out tax-free, and it bypasses probate, which means the money is liquid right away to help cover any costs that are incurred during the estate sale, during any type of just dealing with the estate and with costs of probate and taxes, etc. And in terms of retirement planning, one of the main uses for a life insurance policy, I talked about it earlier in the permanent life insurance video, is there's a second element when it comes to permanent life insurance, which is known as the cash value. So the cash value can be accessed while you are alive, and for many of our clients, they will use it to help supplement or subsidize their income during retirement. Because they have access to that lump sum amount of cash sitting in their policy, it can be a very good source of income during their retirement years. And the third reason would be to use it as a tax shelter. So another thing that a lot of people are not aware of is that life insurance is a tax shelter, which means that just like an RRSP, the money that you invest and that grows inside of your life insurance policy grows completely tax-free. So all of the gains, all of the growth of your investment, even the growth of your death benefit, none of that is subject to tax. And there are ways, again, so for retirement planning, where you can borrow against that policy or have access to the cash that's in your policy to use for retirement. So again, it is a very smart use for tax purposes, retirement planning and estate planning. I won't go into too much more detail because it does tend to get a little bit more complicated, but if this is something that you're looking for more information about, then please don't hesitate to contact me, Desiree at 360fg.ca. Thanks so much.